Okay, Andariki Namaskaram Andi. Today we have detected two very important major crimes that have occurred in Ongole. And we have also recovered property in these cases. First case undi idi oka jewelry shop lo on Gandhi Road of Ongole town. Akkada pani chesina clerk, salesman. He oka item over the period of last few months. He was stealing from the owners of the shop, and the total amount he has stolen is jewelry worth 15 lakhs he stole over the period of last few months. And we got to know about this case on 31st July. Then దాని తర్వాత స్పెషల్ టీమ్స్ ఫామ్ చేసుకుని మనం దిస్ పర్సన్కి అప్రిహెండ్ చేశారు. హీ హ్యాడ్ ఎస్కేప్డ్ విత్ ద ప్రాపర్టీ దట్ హీ హ్యాడ్ స్టోలెన్. And then Ninna evening we got him red-handed with all the property. So property was 18 gold bangles, 5 gold rings, 3 gold necklaces, 6 pairs of gold ear studs, and 2 gold matties, all amounting to 15.2 lakhs and total 337 grams of gold. Second case undi, this is a case of two boys, oka 19 years old, oka 23 years old. These two boys, they have been going around Ongole town and ikkada cell phone snatching chestunnaru. So so we got a report on 4th of August. Oka person, Mr. Gauss Barsha, he was traveling, he was walking on the phone while he was talking on the phone while walking, and then backside nunchi these two persons came on a motorcycle and phone snatch cheskuni velaru. So then on that basis we formed special teams and also examined all the CCTV footages in this area, and after our hard work we have been able to recover to catch both these accused, and from them we have recovered 14 cell phones and the motorcycle which they were using. So 14 cell phones of different brands we have recovered, and we are in the process of identifying the victims from whom this property was snatched over the period of last month. And the total property is 2,25,000 and one bike which has been seized. I really appreciate the good work done by all the officers of our Ongole 1 town and 2 town police stations, both the SIs, both the CIs and other members of the staff, and I wish that they will continue to keep on working hard like this so that we can control the crime in Ongole town. Thank you.